Okay, I'm here at the Reynolds Park Nature Center, and an exhibit that I find particularly fascinating is the bee exhibit. And here they have an enclosed system for the bees to go out through the top. Here you can see maybe a couple of them coming out, and then they go out and they forage, and they come back to this center here where they go down into this box right there. I'm going to go inside and give you a nice view of the beehive as it is in 2 panes of glass. This is a view inside the Nature Center where they have a collection of reptiles and displays of information. Snakeskins shedded of one of the more famous black snakes that lived here. Now let's take a look at the beehive. And behind curtain number 1 we have wow. As you can see from the outside, they come through this tube into the beehive from outside, which we saw earlier. They come through that box and through this tube into the beehive. Here's the other side of the beehive. Look at all these guys busy at work.